how to make scroll bar in the right side on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a scroll bar in the right side on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and here just select click on these three lines in the bottom corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click web page view and scrolling, and click scroll bar and click right. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.